Welcome to Campfyre, your all-in-one companion for planning, exploring, and connecting on the road. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, Campfyre is here to help you spark your journey. In today's video, we will learn how to create an account on Campfyre and log in for the very first time. First, point your browser to app.campfyreapp.com. When you do this, you'll be prompted with the login screen that you see here. If it's your first time logging in, all you have to do is click sign up. And then we can create your account. In this case, we'll use my sample account, campfyre@gmail.com. We'll set a password here. And then we will create our account. And then it's going to send us an MFA code for security. And then we'll just click verify email. All right. The next thing we're going to be prompted with is the welcome to Campfyre beta. This product is currently in beta, so you'll just want to read the information here. Click that you accept the terms of use and the privacy policy. Click here to indicate that you understand that Campfyre uses AI technology. And then when you're ready, just click Let's Get Started. Okay. Now you're taken to the welcome process where it's first going to have you put in your profile. So we'll go ahead and say my name is Campfyre and just a part-timer. We'll click on continue and then it's going to save our profile information and then asks us about our rig. So in this case, we'll say we've got a fifth wheel. Let's say it's 2024, it's 35 foot, and it's a Brinkley Z3100. We'll click on continue to save that, and then it's going to ask if we want to connect with any of our other travelers, in which case we can just put their email address, and it'll search for them. I'll skip this for now, and then it's going to take me to an app tour. So this is going to walk me through the application, all the various steps and capabilities that are within the application. You'll simply click next to step through each of these steps in this tour. For this video, I'll go ahead and click on skip tour, and then you are taken to your home screen. And that's it. You're all set. Welcome to Campfyre.